Oh, hello there. It is your boy Deahan, you already know. And if you're wondering why I look extra drippy today, it's because I'm out here with the Plant Life shirt provided by Plant Face Clothing. Make sure you check them out. Their Instagram will appear, boom, across the screen, and I'll have it in the description below. But with that aside, making healthy dinner for two. I have an extremely great and special guest, super pretty, super talented. So I'm medicated. I don't know if you can see my eyes, but I'm ready. I hope you're ready. It's time to get healthy, so come with me. I told you we have a lovely guest with us, my homegirl, Susie Baby.
Hello.
What is your experience with vegan food?
I have zero experience with vegan food.
That's actually a good thing. It's a good thing because I'm going to leave a lasting impression on you.
I hope so.
This is 𝙤𝙤𝙬, Brussels sprouts, Swiss chard, and red kale and mushrooms. So right now it looks like rabbit food. I know it's got what you guys are thinking. You're like, how is he going to turn this into something great? But I promise you it's going to be healthy. It's going to be delicious. It's going to be colorful too. It's going to be pretty.
Excited.
Alright, so for those of you who are new subscribers, you might not know, I taught you last time how to clean mushrooms. Take a moist paper towel, take your shroom, give it a little bit of love, you know what I'm saying, a little bit of care, and then it comes out clean and it'll come out my color each and every time. It's a win. So I'll let her do that right now, and I'm going to cut up some Brussels sprouts. Alright people, so quick tip, make sure your olive oil is not from Italy or Spain or some shit like that. This is from California. We're gonna put some of this into that and then we're gonna saute some Brussels sprouts. Done. Can you Brussels sprout me, please?
Here you go.
Okay. Alright, so we're gonna saute these for about 2 minutes until they're about this color. And then we're gonna add some water to them. Let those cook, I don't know, 3 to 4 minutes on low to medium heat so that they're done all the way through and they're tender. And then we're gonna add some balsamic. Salt and pepper time. Now, we're gonna add some balsamic. I'm gonna say maybe 2 tablespoons. A tip is you don't want to cook it too high because this balsamic will burn. Can you mushroom me, please?
Yes, I can.
I like to leave mine big for some more body, more texture. Let them sit on one side for literally a minute and a half. And then we're going to add the peppers and the green onions and other green healthy to this pan. And like I said, we're cooking this in one pan. So I took the mushroom half, it's off the heat. The pepper side's on the heat. Think smart. Alright, so now I'm gonna let my lovely guest cook the 𝙤𝙤𝙬 for you guys. Can you bring the pan over here for me, please?
Oh yeah.
Thank you. Okay, so we have all of our healthy stuff assembled. It is now time for my favorite part, the garnishing part. My lovely assistant is about to sprinkle some crunchy stuff on top. Dried cherries, dried veggies, sriracha toasted corn. I want to take this moment out to address the vegan ladies. These forks are made from corn. Yes, I said it. We are not f***ing the dolphins up, the whales, all the fish. We got you. Like spicy?
Yes.
Okay, so I also have some hot cherry peppers I'm gonna put on. I'm excited for this. Are you excited or what?
I'm very excited to try this actually.
figured we can make it a little more bougie with some pea shoots. So we're gonna add a few pea shoots. Voila. Our goal for the beginning of this was to make a healthy, delicious dinner for 2. But instead, we made 3 because we can't leave the cameraman out. So, are you ready? Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
What thoughts are going through your mind right now?
Well, I definitely think that it's gonna taste amazing. It looks amazing, super colorful. It makes the colors like attract me to want to eat it really bad, and it smells amazing.
I'm trying to tell y'all how to get dates, man. Y'all don't want to listen to me. But back to you vegan ladies. Corn forks. We're ready to try it. So let's try this. Let's do it. I can't talk because my bite was husky.
It tastes amazing.
And if I'm correct, you are Mexican, right?
Yes.
And so do you approve of this soy rizo?
I definitely do, actually. It tastes amazing. You'd be surprised.
I think this was another success. Would you consider this a success?
More than that. This is amazing.
See? So fellas, ladies even, this is how you secure dates. This is how you cook healthy for 2, in our case 3. Thank you for coming out. But make sure you hit that subscribe button. I cannot express how grateful I am. We almost at 1,400. Just last week I was at 1,200. So this is awesome. Thank you. Make sure you check out Plant Face because they're awesome. Make sure you check out her Instagram because that's also awesome. Check out my Instagram because that's awesome. Everything at Session CA will make it appear. Boom, right across there. Until next time, stay awesome, stay medicated, and stay healthy.